My dear students of class 10, welcome to my class. Here I am Prosenjit. Today I am going to discuss the question answers, the important question answers from the poem Animals. মই ভাবোঁ এই প্ৰশ্নোত্তৰবিলাক আগন্তুক HSLC পৰীক্ষাৰ্থীৰ বাবে লাভদায়ক হ'ব। এনিমেলছ কবিতাটোৰ কবিতাটোত তেওঁৰ জীৱ জন্তুৰ প্ৰতি থকা বিশ্বাস দাঙি ধৰিব বিচাৰিছে। তেওঁ ভাবে যে মানুহতকৈ জীৱ জন্তুবোৰ বেছি বিশ্বাসী, কিয়নো মানুহবোৰ সঁচাকৈ জটিল মনৰ আৰু মিছলীয়া। My dear students, let us discuss the important question answers now. Question number 1. I think I could turn and live with animals. Why does the poet say so? কবিয়ে কৈছে, মই ভাবোঁ যে মই পশুবোৰৰ সিহঁতৰ লগতে থাকিব পাৰোঁ। কবিয়ে কিয় তেনে কৈছে? ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব, The poet is turning away from living with other humans as he finds them complicated and false. He would rather live with animals that are placid and self-content. He is attracted by the simple and plain life led by the animals. তাৰমানে কবিয়ে ভাবে যে মানুহতকৈ জীৱ জন্তুবোৰ বেছি বিশ্বাসী, কিয়নো মানুহবোৰ সঁচাকৈয়ে জটিল মনৰ আৰু মিছলীয়া। আৰু জীৱ জন্তুবিলাকৰ সৰল জীৱন যাপন কবিক খুব আকৃষ্ট কৰিছিল। Number 2, what are things animals do not do like humans? তাৰমানে কি জীৱ জন্তুৱে মানুহৰ দৰে নকৰে। তাৰমানে মানুহে কৰে কিন্তু জীৱ জন্তুবিলাকে নকৰে। ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব, Like humans, animals do not sweat and whine about their condition, do not awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not bother others discussing their duty to God. Number 3, why does the poet feel more at home with animals than with humans? কবিয়ে কিয় জীৱ জন্তুৰ লগত বেছি ভাল পাই থাকিবলৈ মানুহতকৈ? Answer, the poet finds that humans complicated and false. They are never satisfied and therefore always unhappy. On the other hand, the animals are placid and self-content. Like men, they do not have the mania of owning things, so the poet feels more at home with animals than with humans. Number 4, which quality of the animals impresses Walt Whitman? তাৰমানে জীৱ জন্তুৰ কি গুণে কবিক প্ৰভাৱিত কৰিছিল? ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব, According to the poet, animals are placid and self-content. They do not complain about their condition and do not repent for their sins. They do not suffer from the mania of owning things. They also do not discuss their duty to God. The poet likes these qualities of animals which are badly lacking in humans. Number 5, what is the mania referred to in the poem Animals? ইয়াৰ এনচাৰটো হ'ব, human beings' overwhelming tendency to own things is the mania referred to in the poem Animals. Question number 6. mention three things that humans do but animals don't. তাৰমানে মানুহে কৰে কিন্তু জীৱ জন্তুৱে নকৰে, তেনেধৰণৰ তিনিটা বস্তু লিখিব লাগে। আহাচোন উত্তৰটো লিখোঁ। এনচাৰটো হ'ব নাম্বাৰ 1, humans sweat and groan about their conditions while the animals don't. Number 2, human beings lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. Animals don't. Number 3, humans always talk and make others sick by talking about religion and their duties towards God. Animals have no religion and never discuss about it. Question number 7. How do the animals accept their conditions? Your answer is the animals accept their conditions without any complaint, unlike human beings. Moreover, they are placid and self-contained. তোমালোকৰ উত্তৰটো এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰিবা, the animals accept their conditions without sweat and wine. এইদৰে লিখিলেও হ'ব। বুজি পাইছানে? Question number 8. Who wrote the poem Animals? তাৰমানে এনিমেলছ কবিতাটোৰ কবি কোন? ইয়াৰ আনচাৰটো হ'ব Walt Whitman wrote the poem Animals. Next question 9. Choose the meaning of the underlined words from the alternative given in the brackets. তাৰমানে আণ্ডাৰলাইন কৰা ৱাৰ্ডটোৰ অৰ্থ ব্ৰেকেটত কেইবাটাও দিয়া আছে, তাৰ পৰা আমি শুদ্ধটো বাছি উলিয়াব লাগে। আহাচোন চেষ্টা কৰোঁ। এই নম্বৰটো আছে they do not sweat and whine about their conditions. অপশ্যন আছে sing loudly, complain in an annoying voice, cry in joy. ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব complain in an annoying voice. আমি এইটো অপশ্যনত উত্তৰটো লিখিব লাগিব। এইটো হ'ল শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ। Next, I wonder where they get those tokens. Wonderটোৰ অৰ্থ কোনটো হ'ব? Feel happy, feel sorry, feel very surprised. Answer হ'ব feel very surprised. C. They are so placid and self-contained. Options আছে placid to underline আছে, option আছে wild, calm, indifferent. উত্তৰটো হ'ব calm. calm মানে শান্ত। Next, D. I wonder they get those tokens. অপশ্যন আছে টকেন্সৰ অৰ্থটো ক'ব লাগে, অৰ্থ আছে ডিজিজেছ, ইমোশ্যন, চিম্বলছ অৰ মাৰ্কছ। এনচাৰটো হ'ব চিম্বলছ অৰ মাৰ্কছ। Next, E. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the many of owning things. ডিমেণ্টেডৰ অৰ্থটো কোনটো হ'ব? ফিলিং আনহেপি, দ্য ফিলিং ডিছপ্লিজ, বিহেভিং ক্ৰেজিলি ফৰ বিং আপছেট। এইটো উত্তৰ হ'ব বিহেভিং ক্ৰেজিলি ফৰ বিং আপছেট। Number 10. With whom could the poet live and why? কবিয়ে কাৰ লগত থাকিব বিচাৰে আৰু কিয়? এনচাৰটো হ'ব the poet could live with the animals because they are so placid and self-contained. Question number 11. For what qualities of theirs does the poet praise the animals? কবিয়ে মানে জীৱ জন্তুৰ কোন কোৱালিটিছক প্ৰশংসা কৰিছিল? Answer হ'ব, the poet praises the animals for their placid, self-contained and simple life. They never complain about their sins, nor do they weep for their sins. They do not discuss their duty to God. No one of them is dissatisfied and hanker after anything. Question number 12. What are the tokens that the poet says he may have dropped long ago and which the animals have kept for him? ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ব, the token referred to here is the quality of simplicity that has been prevailing still among the animals. The poet, as a man, acknowledges his animal ancestry but says that in course of revolution he has dropped the quality of simplicity and innocence which the animals have preserved and kept for them. My dear students, আজিলৈ ইমানেই পাঠটো শেষ কৰিলোঁ। ইয়াৰ পৰৱৰ্তী ক্লাছত মই আন এটা পাঠৰ গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ প্ৰশ্নসমূহৰ উত্তৰ লৈ আহিম। So see you in my next class. Thank you.